Hi there. If you're trying to play Cave Crawler multiplayer game on a Mac, you will need to do a few things to get it to work. The first thing you'll do is copy this web URL and paste it into your browser. This will begin a download for the launcher app. Once the download is complete, you can close your browser and go into your downloads folder. Oops. And here you should see the app, Cave Crawler Launcher. The next thing you do is to find the Cave Crawler multi macOS launch instructions and follow them. So the first thing we want to do is move the Cave Crawler launcher to our desktop. Then we can see that we have our Cave Crawler launcher. This Cave Crawler zip is not important. We'll see the Cave Crawler launcher. Then you'll need to open up the terminal. So you can do that by opening up Spotlight Search and searching terminal and pressing open, or navigating to your applications and looking for terminal in applications. Terminal.app. Okay, that doesn't work. It's in here somewhere. Oh, it could be in utilities, and then it's in, there it is, terminal. So once terminal is open, we can migrate or move to the desktop with the operation cd desktop. And cd means change directory. If your prompt doesn't look like mine, or if your terminal doesn't look exactly like mine, that's okay, and I don't expect it to. So just look for, so once you type in cd desktop, you should be in your desktop folder. And if you really want to know where you are, you could say pwd, which is print working directory, and it will show you that which directory you're in. So I'm in my desktop, and then I can find that the game is here by typing in, ls cave and then pressing tab, and it should autocomplete, and that means that this file is here. So once we know that the file is there, and we can also see it in our desktop folder here, we can move on with these directions. So what you want to do first is copy and paste this this command prompt line, but do not copy the tick marks. Copy that and paste that right here and press enter. Then what you can do is immediately after that, copy this command line prompt or command line and make sure you don't have the tick marks. And if those are successful, it should return a new line without any text. If an error does occur, there will be a line with a bunch of text. Don't worry, just give it another shot. Like if I do that, it'll say no such file. Or if I mess up on something else, like L, it's going to say command not found. So, oops. If it doesn't work, just try to look around and find what's wrong, and then when it does work, it returns an empty line. All right. So now you should be able to open up the launcher by double-clicking on it, and you can say yes to access privileges. And this loading is going to create a game folder in your desktop, or on your desktop, or in the desktop directory. We will be doing steps 6 and 7 now, and that concerns this game folder. The launcher should quit immediately after it's done loading, and that's okay. So now you should have a game folder, and inside of it is the cave crawler game and the version.data. We can go inside just to look what's happening. We're going to copy this line here now, which points to the game cave crawler app contents macOS cave crawler. And I can show you what's happening inside. This will turn into an app. Oops, make sure you don't have any tick marks. Good, so you can see that an executable was created. And then you'll have to also paste in this command line without the tick. And there you go. So now you can go back out, go into game again. Now double click cave crawler, and it should open up without a problem. Give it permission, and you should be good to go.